Hello and welcome to Gym Code, where I am going to do the free code camp reverse a string. I had a question on Reddit about this, and how to do this. And so let's take a look at that problem on free code camp. Here it is. It's simple. Reverse the provided string. It does mention that you may need to turn it into an array before you can reverse it, and then you have to return a string. So the user on Reddit gave us this solution that was suggested by Free Code Camp, I think. So first, let's explain this, and I will explain why this works, and then I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So what this is we have this here that is declaring we're in a for loop, and what this is going to do is it's going to take this variable here, or these variables that we're declaring here, and it's going to look at it each time here, and then it's going to do something with one of the variables here each time it goes through the loop. So what happens is we declare this reverse string. It's nothing right now. It's a blank string. And then we are going to have an I, and it's going to be set to the string.length -1. The reason for that is because strings are zero indexed and can be accessed similar to arrays. So what I mean by that is that if we come over here to node, I can do this. Let's say reverse string equals hello. I can say string, let's say 0, right? And that's the first letter. That's an H. So if that string is 5 characters long here, -1, we'll get to the end of it. And if I do string 4, I get that. Now, if I go ahead and say var reverse equals this blank string here, okay, let's start at the end of it, which is what this loop is going to do, and we'll work backwards. So now reverse plus equals string 4, the 4th character, or rather, actually it's the 5th character in that string. It's 0. So now, if we go back to that code, what's going to happen is it goes through the loop once, it gets that 0 and adds it to reverse string, and then it gets to here, it jumps back up to the top, it says, okay, what do I need to do? I reverse I, or I decrement I by 1, and now we have 3. So you go back over here, okay, and let's just decrement that code by that 3 to 3 by ourselves, and now we get this. Continue to do that, and you'll eventually get a reverse string. So that is definitely one way to do that, is just to treat that like an array. So that works quite well, actually. It's just fine. So there's an easier way to do this, though, and we'll just comment that out, right? There's another way to do this, and we can simply turn the string into an array. So to show you what that looks like, I can actually say string, notice that string has not been changed, by the way, string.split, okay, and I can split it on basically every character, and I'll get this. Here's an array. Should have seen this by now if you're getting to this point in free code camp. And what we can do with that is we can reverse it. We can reverse an array. The result is array. And then arrays have a function. You just continue on here. You can join it and put nothing between them, and you'll get that. So if we jump back to the code, you can actually just do this. Return. I don't even need to declare a variable. I'm just going to return string.split on both characters, .reverse, .join. And that's all you need. And to prove that works, we'll go back to main, and we will run the tests, and boom, it's solved. So I hope that helps explain why that works and an easier way to do it. If you have further questions, please feel free to ask and let me know in the comments below or on Reddit. Thanks very much. Have a great day. Bye.